Hey guys, my name is David Wilkerson. I'm the owner of Blackstone Asset Recovery. I'm also a high performance real estate and investing coach. Today I just want to share with you guys about the proper way to fill out a state funds contract in the state of California. First off, if you guys are enjoying these videos I'm putting out, it'd really help if you just click the like button or subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. But other than that, let me get into this with you guys. So I'm assuming you guys have registered to become a property investigator for the state of California. You guys might even started to make some phone calls, and now you guys are in the process of getting stuff under contract. So let me give you guys the breakdown on how I fill out my state funds contracts for the state of California. Okay, the very first thing you want to do is go to a Google search and type in unclaimed property California. There'll be a bunch of things that are going to pop up. The very first one is the one you want to click on. That website is www.sco.ca.gov. So boom, we're going to click right here. Once you get to the main page, it's going to say unclaimed property right at the very top. What you want to do is scroll down until you get to the tab that says Investigators. Then you'll click on the link that says Investigator Handbook and Forms. From there, you're going to go and click on the Standard Investigator Agreement. Now, the state of California, they have drafted their own agreement they'd like you guys to use. If you guys have already read through the Investigator Handbook, it'll give you a lot of details about how to fill this out. The state's going to want everything to be done on yellow paper, so keep that in mind. But this is just a breakdown on how you fill this out. So up here, at the very top, you would put the claimant's name. Right below that, you would put your company's business name. So for instance, I own Blackstone Asset Recovery. I would just plop that right in there. Okay, now the owner's name, you're going to want to fill that out exactly how it is on the California website. So for instance, just for this example here, if this was the person you're working with, you'd want to put that exact name right there where the owner's name is. Okay, and then as far as the owner's address reported to the state controller's office, you'd want to put this address right there. Okay, and then reported by, again, just go exactly what is stated in the unclaimed property search when you look up the account. There you go. And then again, the amount, the property reference number is right here. So that's all you're going to have to plug in there. Okay, now if there are any additional accounts, you would just check that and then have the claimant, when they're getting it notarized, initial here. A lot of the times, people in the state funds arena, they do have multiple accounts that can be collected upon. So just on a little side note, whenever you have somebody, for instance, like Carrie Evans, I would do an additional search just for Carrie Evans and Stephen Evans to see all the accounts that came up, because why not collect on multiple accounts if you can? I mean, you're already doing the work, right? And then right here, you're going to want to put the agreed on percentage. So in the state of California, they cap you at 10%. So make sure you don't put anything above that number right there. The claimant's initials go right here. Your initials are going to go right there. Again, this is the claimant's information. You're going to want to put the claimant's name there. It doesn't have to be how it's stated right here, but I would, well, let's go here again. Just type in their name. The best telephone number, not only for you to reach them, but the state, just in case there's any discrepancies or any other documentation they will need to send in. The address, this is really important. Make sure you get their current mailing address, not one for where the account originally started off. I get their new mailing address, so when the state cuts the check, it gets to that address and not the old one. Okay, and then you're going to have the claimant sign it right here. As far as their social or their tax identification number, I usually don't ask for that. I don't ask for that information at all. I have the notary fill that out, and then right here It's just going to be the investigator. You don't need to have an investigator's license. You won't need to fill that out. Just the best telephone number for you, the date, and then your address, your signature, and then your business EIN number right there. And then most of the time you won't need to fill this out. This is just in case there are additional accounts that can be collected on. But you guys, that's pretty much how you fill out a standard state funds contract for the state of California. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you found any value in this video, just click like and subscribe to the channel. Hey, thanks guys. Take care.